Hey, 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 Taurus, this is your sacred scribe here, ready to do your June reading with nature, though. I am here with Paula, and we're going to get some messages. There we go. This is Paula. Okay? So they wanted to speak to you for June. Let's see what Paula has to say. What's up for Taurus for June? Be ready for miracles to occur in your lives, for they will come on strong and have a surety with them. These have been miracles that you have been wishing for in your lives. This will occur midstream. Midstream, this is me, midstream of the month or midstream? In midstream of your lives. When you have a momentum going and you are accomplishing things in your life that you've long waited for. These miracles will happen out of nowhere. You will wonder if you are dreaming. You will wonder if you will wake, and we will tell you, you are already awake. And this will be confirmation of your knowings of yourself and those around you whom you love. Appreciation will serve you all well this month, as it is with appreciation where your spirit will rise higher and higher. The divine is looking to light you all up. The divine is looking for all of you to shine. So know that you are loved and loved by all that is around you, all that is within you, all that was and all that is to be. For you are one with the whole. And knowing this throughout the month of June will gift you with a sense of power within for your life that you have not sensed before. This new sense, take heed of this new sense that will be occurring within you. The light will shine upon it. So do not question it. Utilize this new sense of power within to brighten your lives and the lives of those around you. In love, there will be errors. When we speak of errors, we speak of many to come. These many will light your way for a while, but then will stray. Do not worry about the straying of people who cross your paths for a time, for it is meant to be. It is only to guide you to a certain point. It is from that point on where you begin to guide yourself. And it is through this newfound power within, this new sense that you gain throughout June, that you will light the new way with. So guide yourselves throughout June and do not fear loving any. For all of the love that you give will be given back to you tenfold. Your career will flourish in times of trouble when you least expect it. There will be mass occurrences for Taurians in this field of career. The divine is lighting this path for you, but you must walk with it. You must walk with the light within. For it will only be when you do this that you will see and know opportunities to exist. Shake off worries throughout the month of June, as worry will not serve you. Share with others what you know, as this will enhance their field of energy and your field as well, thus lighting the way for them, lighting the way for others to embody their divinity, their essence. The love that is to come knows no bounds, but knows you well. So be it in the love, in the light, in your heart. For when you are it, it must be you. It must find you. It must know you. It must embellish this love within you. It is through others in the month of June where you will also find light, where you will also find love and knowing of what is to come, knowing of who you are, knowing of the light that exists within them. So seek this out. For the more light you seek, the more light grows within you and lights you up. You are a spark of the divine. So begin to encourage its appearance in your life, for it knows where to go. The Taurians born at the end of the month, at the end of the astrological sign of Taurus, there will be elements within your life that will need attention. You may see these as problems, but they are only areas of life in which to grow from. So look at them as such. Face them, know them, speak with them, and move on from them. Accept them and the universe will accept your movement through them. For those Taurians born within the second half of the astrological sign, there is to come friendships, lights along your path that will let you know they are in need of your sun, of your lights. And for a time, you will be a part of these lives. But know that all cannot last forever. Within your incarnation on this earth, and appreciate forever how long the time is that you have with these lights. And know that it is purposeful, that it is all love. So continue to experience with these people, continue to love, continue to move forward. For Taurians born in the first part of the astrological sign, sharing is what will open you up to more lights, more allowing in your life. This will also open you up to love as you share your heart with others, as you share your heart with the universe. So too the universe will share love with you and show you love through others, through experiences. So share who you are, share where you've come from, share the light within, and you will be rewarded. For all Taurians, the month of June is set to blaze a trail for the beginnings of your next chapters. So get excited to step forward and play your part in these chapters. For your part is your creation.